Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to create a table in your Google Sites website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Sites website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the options that you can use in Google Sites. So as you can see here you can go ahead and create a website if you want. Here you can go ahead and create a portfolio or a project and so on. So here we will be able to see all of the websites that we have already created in Google Sites. So I'm going to be using this website right here for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and open it up by clicking on it right here, and as you can see now this will open up the website in the page. So guys, let's say that we want to add something into the page. As you can see here in the upper right corner, we have the insert option right here. And here we can insert text boxes, images, drive files, embed, and so on. And if you look right here, we can insert table of contents, image carousels, and so on. But there is no option to add a table. And why is that guys? Well, because Google Sites just hasn't enabled the option to be able to create a table in the website. I do not know why, and I do not know if they will ever add the option. But yeah guys, there just isn't an option. There we have to do a workaround so that we can add a table into the website. So basically guys, what we can do is you have to go ahead and copy the embed code from your table and copy the code. After that guys, you can go ahead and go to insert and click on embed. Here you can go and paste the embed code right here. Let's say that you have a table and you have that you have already created in another program. Then you have to go ahead and paste the HTML code from the website right here. As you can see, I have a basic table right here that I created. You can go ahead and type it in just like this one if you want. I'm going to go ahead and click on next, and as you can see, this will now create a basic table for my website. You can go ahead and create a more difficult table or more sophisticated table, it doesn't matter, but this is just a basic table and this is just a basic way that you can do it, because sadly there just isn't an option added at the moment for you to be able to create a table. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.